Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to set up the Google and YouTube channel on Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have completed the store design and now you are started working and now you have started working on marketing, and that's why you need to set up all the initial tools, app and others relevant things, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Today we are going to set up Google and YouTube channel. This is most important and first priority task for your Shopify online store in the marketing categories. So let's get started. To do this, first of all you have to log in your Shopify admin panel, then click on the online store, preference, scroll down and you can see that there is a option named Google Analytics, then set up Google. Connect your Google Analytics with the Google and YouTube app. Setup is made easy to ensure you are collecting the most accurate data. Okay, so now I am going to click on the setup Google button. Okay, you can see that no account connected in here, so I have to connect. To connect, click on the connect button, then from here I have to select my Gmail account, so I'm going to select my Gmail account, or otherwise if you don't have logged in, then you have to log in your Gmail account, then you have to select it. So I'm going to click on this Gmail to select it. Okay, then scroll down, click on the continue. Scroll down, click on the allow. Wow, our Gmail has been connected. Now we have to move on the next step. Our next step is to connect a Google Analytics property. To do this, we have to go to the Google Analytics admin panel. I am going to Google Analytics admin panel. Open a new tab, search Google Analytics, then go to the Google Analytics. Welcome to Google Analytics. Start measuring. So we have to start from the measuring. So click on this button, then we have to add account details, account name. So you can add account name same as your store name or as your business name or as you like. There is no compulsory, it's totally up to you. I'm going to add my account name. Okay, then scroll down, click on the next, then property name. Okay, then select the time zone, then you can change the time zone from here. For example, I'm going to change the time zone New York time. Then currency, of course, will be dollar, US dollar. Then click on the next. Okay, now I have to provide more business details in here. Industry categories, beauty and fitness, business size small. Click on the next, then choose your business objective, drive online sales, rise brand awareness. Also select examine user behavior, analyze visitor metric and attract new customer. Okay, click on the create. Select country, United States. I accept, check mark. I accept. Okay, then start collecting data. click on the choose a platform. I'm going to click on the web, then store name again. Now we have to add URL in here. Looks here, looks good. Stream name, stream, okay, looks good. Then click on the create stream. Okay, then here is the installation instruction. Install with a website builder or CMS. Shopify, yes, we have Shopify, copy it. We have to go to Shopify admin panel, online store preference, click on the manage pixel, add sales channel, then we have to click on the connect. Okay, so now we are going to do this. Go to the Shopify admin panel. Looks here, we are in the right place. Reload. Looks here, it's already displaying in here our Google Analytics account. Then click on the connect. Wow, you have successfully set up Google Analytics 4. Your site data is being shared with Google Analytics. We have done. Then we have to work Google Merchant Center. So we'll learn about that Google Merchant Center in the next tutorials. We are going to end these tutorials in here. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress, SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.